Good day, my viewers, and welcome you to AA Accounting Tutorials. In today's video, we shall be discussing on how to prepare 3-column cash book. In the first instance, for you to have a better understanding or better insight on what cash book entails, I'm going to drop a playlist below so that you can watch it and see to how you can treat or probably prepare a thorough cash book. This will enable you to have a better understanding on how to prepare 3-column cash book. Therefore, before proceeding to the solving of the question, I will need to chip in one or two things. Double column cash book, I mean the difference between double column cash book and 3-column cash book. Double column cash book contains 2 columns on both the sides, I mean on the credit and that of the debit side. For the debit side, we're having cash and bank, as you can see. Likewise, we're having cash and bank on the credit side. Only that for the 3-column cash book, we are going to introduce discount allowed and discount received. However, this is the format of 3-column cash book, as you can see. Therefore, I will go to the reading of the question. Enter the following transactions of Richard Benson during the month of May 1998 in his 3-column cash book. The owner of this account is Richard Benson. Therefore, we are going to have this here. Richard Benson. Then he is preparing his 3-column cash book. Then you are going to have it here for the month ended May 31st, 1998. This heading is very, very important. This tells us the type of the account we are preparing, likewise the owner of the account and the year we are preparing the account. Now, for May 1st, cash in hand 2,500, bank overdraft 9,800. You come here, write May here. Then May 1st, we're having balance brought forward. We have it for 2,500 naira. For the bank, there is no any balance brought forward on the debit side. Cash 2,500 naira. Then for bank, we don't have any balance for this on the debit side. Then we have bank overdraft 9,800 naira. Come here, May 1st. Then we have balance brought forward for the bank 9,800 naira. This simply means that Richard Benson is owing the bank 9,800 naira, meaning that he withdrew more than what is having in his bank account as at April. Therefore, this will represent balance brought forward. That is the reason we're having it on the credit side. It's a credit balance. Aside from that, this is unfavorable balance. Now, the next thing, May 3rd, received from Joy a loan of 12,000 naira by cash. 12,000 naira. Then we have Joy, cash, 12,000 naira. Then we have May 3rd. May 4th, withdrew cash from bank for use in the business, 900 naira. This is a contra entry indicating that money was withdrawn from the bank into the business. This simply means that cash account in the office received the money. You come here on the 4th, then you come to the cash column. You have to write 900 naira there because cash account is receiving the money. Therefore, on the narration here, you put bank. Then on the ledger folio, you put C to indicate it is contra entry. Therefore, you come to this side, I mean the credit side. The bank is giving out. Come to the bank side, I mean on the column, then you write 900 naira. Then you now come here, you write cash on the particulars there, then you put contra here, indicating that it is contra entry. This is how to treat contra entry. Now, May 7, we pay the following accounts by check. In each case, deducting 5%. Tolu 6,000 naira, Tunde 5,000 naira, Victor 3,000 naira. We're having May 7. We're having Tolu, we have Tunde, then we have Victor. For Tolu, we pay Tolu 6,000 naira. Then we are going to deduct 5%. Then for Tunde, we have it for 5,000 naira multiplied by 5 over 100. Then for Victor, we have it for 3,000 naira times 5 over 100. Therefore, what we are going to do here, this we cancel this. We have 60 times 5. That is 300 naira. Then for this, we have 5 times 50. That is 250 naira. Then for this, Victor, we have 5 times 30. That is 150 naira. We come here, 300 naira for Tolu. Then for Tunde, we have it for 250. For Victor, we have it for 150. Then 6,000 naira. Take away 3,000. We are going to have 5,700 naira. Then for Tunde, 250. Take it away from 5,000 naira. We are going to have 4,750. Then for Victor, take away 150 from 3,000 naira. We are going to have 2,850. This simply means this is the exact amount Richard Benson is paying to his supplier after deducting the discounts. Then May 11th, paid insurance by cash, 6,000 naira. May 11th, we have insurance. We have insurance by cash, 6,000 naira. Then we'll put it under cash. It is part of his expenses. Now, May 14, cash sales paid immediately into the bank, 30,000 naira. Look at this question very well. This is not a contra entry. If you listen to some of the videos I've made on how to go about this, cash sales paid immediately into the bank, 30,000 naira. May 14, come here, May 14, just put sales. This cash sales was paid immediately into the bank, 30,000 naira. It is not reflecting on the cash account in the office. Therefore, you don't treat this as contra entry. Now, May 17, the following persons paid us their account by check. We have Ayo 10,000 naira, Eson 8,000 naira. May 17, put it here. Then we have Ayo and Eson. For Ayo, it is 10,000 naira multiplied by 10%. We are going to have this. Then we have 1,000 naira as discount allowed for Ayo. Then we now move to Eson. It's 8,000 naira multiplied by 10%. We are going to have 800 naira. Then the next thing, we are going to take away 1,000 naira from 10,000 naira. We are going to have 9,000 naira. Come to the bank side, write 9,000 naira here. Then take away 800 from 8,000 naira. We are going to get 7,200 naira. This is how to calculate this. I mean, how to get our discount allowed or discount received. Then for May 20th, we drew 5,000 naira from bank for private use. Come here, May 20th, put drawings. Okay. This drawing is for private use. Therefore, you are going to come to the bank side, put 5,000 naira here. This is not a contra entry. Rather, it is private use for the owner. Now, May 23rd, paid electricity by cash. May 23rd, electricity. Now, electricity, we have 4,500 here. Now I'm done with the posting of the entries. The next thing is to get the total figures we're having on both sides. I mean the debit and that of the credit sides. We look into the figures we're having on the cash column and that of the bank column. Likewise, that of the credit side, I mean the cash column and the bank column of the credit side. Then we can now take away the lesser one from the greater one. After then, we can now balance the accounts. Then leave this very particular line, leave a line, then come here. You can do it this way. Now, 300 plus 250, 550 plus this, that is 700 naira. We're having 700 naira for the discount receipt. Then let me come to this side. Then to this side, 1,000 plus 800 naira. That is 1,800 naira. That is the amount for discount allowed. We have to put naira sign here. You have to put the naira sign here. That is the currency we are working on. Now, what we have in here, 25 plus 12,000 plus 900, we're having 15,000. We're having 15,400. Then for the cash column, I mean on the credit side, 6,000 plus 4,500, that is 10,500. Then we can now take it away. Take it away. So the balance we are having here is 4,900 naira. For the month of May, we have 31st for the last day. Balance carry down. This will be 4,900. By the time you add 4,900 plus 4,500 plus this, we are going to get 15,400. Then we have this 15,400 as well. When you calculate all this together. Then for the bank column, this 30,000 plus this, that is 39,000. Then plus 7,200, we have 46,200 naira. 46,200 naira. Then you take it away from the calculation of the bank column figures. Then for the bank column, the figures we have in here, the total figure is 29,000 naira. Then you take it away. Then we have 17,200 naira, meaning that the debit side is greater than the credit side. We are going to have 17,200 naira here. Then we can now have 46,200 here. When you add everything together, 46,200 naira. As you can see, we've balanced our account. This simply means by 31st of May, the balance we're having in the cash account is 4,900 naira, while the one in the bank is 17,200 naira. The balances, I mean the two balances, the one on the cash and that of the bank, they are favorable balances. Therefore, these very particular balances, I mean the balances we're having on the cash and bank, will be brought here. After May, the next month is June. June 1st. Then we have June 1st. June 1st, then you can now write balance brought down. Then the balance brought down, we have 4,900 for the cash. Then for the bank, we have 17,200 naira. This balance will represent the balance brought forward. I mean the opening balance for the next month, which is June, if Richard Benson wants to prepare for his cash book. Then this very particular amount, 1,800 naira, represent discount allowed, while this represent discount received. So this is how to prepare 3-column cash book. If you have found the video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.